Family planning can be controversial in some societies due to various cultural, social, religious, and political factors. Here are some reasons. For example, traditional gender roles and expectations. In the religion, opposition from certain religion groups or leaders, concerns about promiscuity or more immoral behavior. That's in the religion factors. In politics or political, government policies or ideologies promoting population growth, fear of the population or aging populations. In on the economic or democratic concerns, fear of economic burden from providing family planning services, believe that large population drive economic growth. In societal power dynamics, limited female empowerment and autonomy, disparities in access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunity, addressing controversies, engage in respectful dialogue with diverse stakeholders. Family planning can significantly empower individuals, especially women, regarding economic independence and career growth by reduced financial burden. Fewer dependents mean lower expenses, increased earning potential, education and career focus, improved resource allocation, investing in education, healthcare, and entrepreneurship. Enhance financial decision making, women's participation in household financial decisions. At the same time, delayed marriage and childbearing, pursuing education and career goals, increased workforce participation, women's economic contribution, career advancement, uninterrupted work experience, and skill development, entrepreneurship, entrepreneurship opportunities, women lead women-led businesses and initiatives. And are the empowerment benefits: Auto- autonomy and self-determination, improve health and well-being, enhance social status and respect, at the same time increase political participation and representation.